Welcome, Libra, to your April Sun Sign Reading. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. The Moon Sign readings will be out at the time of the full moon. Oh, my goodness. Dropping crystals over here. Oh, that card is... No, come back. Seems we have a storm going on. Okay. We've got the 5 of Pentacles to the 10 of Pentacles. Wow. You're feeling without. Confirmation right there. Feeling without. So you went within. Wow, this is quite the storm. Hold on. You're feeling without. So you did go within. And you're looking for something loyal now. Loyal and filled with light. And you're done feeling without. It's like you've found a self-love. Like you're going to be loyal to yourself, your self-love, and you went in. And now look, you're ready to create your abundance, your 10 of Cups. And it looks different than what it looked for you before. It's not industrial. It's heartfelt. It's connection more to Mother Earth, more natural. There's more of a natural, and I really feel like you get the value of the people that you love, family, you know, people that we vibe with. A soul trap. People you want to grow old with. With the Knight of Swords. I feel like this is your energy. Like, you know what? You just picked up your sword and you just ran with it. And I feel like you told some truths on your way out. For whoever's resonating with this message, thank you for joining me here. Now, you shift out, right? We've got the 9 of Pentacles. And this is the bird's eye view and creating your path alone. This is about you. Like, this is really about you and you blossoming and you following your passions. Mother Earth. Maybe even feel like some of you are taking a trip, a vacation just for yourself. That's the message I get from this card, and reconnecting, healing with nature. There's a message. The bird has a message. I feel like the bird is carrying a lock of hair. That's a message for someone. The bird's eye view is carrying a lock of hair. Okay, with the Page of Cups, now we're creating. You know, we've raised our vibes. We're in creation, and look, Spirit has dropped a fish in our cup. And, you know, this is also a message of love. Creating with emotions. This is about emotions now. This is an evolution. Left brain, right brain connection. Incredible. And look, justice. And there's your card right there. And we know this is the time that we're in. We're in the time of justice. And there's a freedom here. There's a freedom. And it was done with Spirit, Source, Mother Earth. it was like I can literally feel like the healing, bloodstone. Your karmic your karmic scales felt tipped, but now they're even. That's what this is all about. Restoring balance from this. Four of Cups, and if this was addictive behavior, even if it was drinking too much, you know, that's instant satisfaction. It's not really sustaining our cup. It's not really sustaining us and filling our cup, I mean. Yeah, and look at that. Just went inside because it's time to get heart-centered and create with our 10 of Cups now. That's where we're going. That's beautiful. And now look, with the 10 of Pentacles, we have the Ace of Wands, growth. Now we have the wand, right, to create with. And we know we are always creating with responsibility. Okay, the 5 of Pentacles, abandonment, and this is where we started off. This is why we went inside to follow the light. Because we were feeling abandoned, and it may very well felt abandoned by yourself. It'll be different for everyone who's resonating with this message. Oh, I can feel the energy. I feel so frantic. Like, I just almost need to take a breath myself because I can feel like the energy shifting, and it's just like, just really ground yourself in nature. It helps lower our blood pressure, right? 6 of Cups, and look at this, balance restored. And that's what this is all about, reflection and rekindling true love from our past. Self-love, self-awareness, self-acceptance, harmonizing and having, you know, true romance. Alrighty. Now here, with the Page of Cups, we have the Queen of Cups. And that's sensitivity. And I really feel like this is the energy that you need to be creating with. The Queen of Cups is, you know, it's not left brain. Like Libra energy, it's left brain. It's masculine because it's swords. And it's logical. And it's methodical. And it likes A and B and black and white. And, you know, point A to point B, black and white. And we need to shift now because we evolve, we master ourselves, we balance, we get the yin and yang and flow. And now we need the Cups energy, we need our heart, our emotions, our connection to our psychic abilities. Queen of Cups loves spending time in nature and, you know, with the water and creating with this energy. You know, just understand this is energy to create through. Don't get stuck there. And, you know, I know very well, like every time I sit down to do your guys' reading, I get all frantic and nervous because I am a Piscean. I am a Queen of Cups. That's my sun sign. Now, thank goodness, you know, I understand a little bit more. My moon sign is Aquarius. So that is, you know, air energy. But I get frantic because I'm like, you know, I know that you guys like things done a certain way. Makes you feel comfortable. But we evolve. And then that's how we create our 10 of Cups. We need to be more sensitive. And even more sensitive with ourselves. And look, with Justice, we have the 7 of Cups. And it's just all about possibilities. See, instead of seeing through these cups, like, because I know you like need to see black and white. Maybe need to see through the fog. It's like really great. Just see these cups as possibilities and focus on one cup, the Ace of Cups, you, your vessel, you being the vessel, and what do you want to fill it with that sustains you and doesn't make you feel like this and that you gotta go doing this, charging all with that sword, right? This is where you're at. Now, let's get an oracle. See what's happening. Okay, here it is. Number 2, illumination. And I think that's, wow. You know, you're going inside to follow the light, and this is about illumination. Just as a full moon sheds its light on our world, you are being shown that there is hope and guidance for you. Have faith. Just holding on to a belief in yourself will plant a seed of manifestation in your life. You are being asked to release any worry or fear that you may be harboring. The clarity you desire is at hand. All you need is something in which to place your faith. So trust in yourself, your support, and in the divine. You will be assisted in difficult times. This can also signify inspiration and new love. There is a shedding of light on hidden treasures or surprises. Well, hello. That's beautiful. And it has something to do with the full moon. You know that full moon in Aries is forcing us, the new moon in Aries is forcing us to act right now. My teacher, my guide. My body is more than a vehicle which carries me through life. My body is a storehouse for my memories, a sensitive radar kit which warns me of danger, a wise teacher who signals me how to best care for my spirit. And that's what I really saw in this card here. If you're not taking care of yourself, it's time to take care of yourself. If you're just drinking your blues away and your body is telling you, I'm not feeling good, or you're not dealing with your stress, or whatever that is, that lower vibrational habit that charges your negative cycle, your story. Remember, you made a choice to go inside and follow the light. So do that. And remember, it's because you matter and your body is being your teacher and your guide. And that's why, you know what? To see through the illusion, pick that one cup, the Ace of Cups, you being the vessel, and start listening to your body. Start listening to your body. And that is what's going to help you along your whole entire evolutional process and help you master yourself. Remember, body, mind, soul. That is how we heal. We are 3 things. And when we are healing, we need to remember that. Thank you for joining me here. I will see you again soon. Take care.